Discovering Bali, 10 fascinating facts you didn't know. Did you know that Bali locals have only 4 names? Nyoman, Wayans, Maid, and Ketut are the unique names embraced by the islanders. Immerse yourself in the cultural richness of Bali, where kite flying is an integral part of daily life for the island's residents. Experience the Hindu traditions of the island, with each day marked by specific activities that reflect the spiritual essence of Bali. Bali, consisting of 4 islands, Bali, Lembongan, Nusa Ceningan, Nusa Penida, and the enchanting Nusa Penida, known for its aesthetic allure. Explore Bali's dynamic landscape, home to 2 active volcanoes, adding a touch of both beauty and challenge to this stunning destination. Indulge in Bali's exquisite coffee, considered the world's most expensive, with a single cup costing up to $80, a true treat for coffee enthusiasts. Uncover the unique black sand beaches of Bali, a result of volcanic ash, providing an alluring contrast to the island's coastal beauty. Witness Bali's New Year in March, a day of silence and stillness. As the moon reaches fullness, the entire island comes to a standstill, with even airports closing. Locals believe this ritual wards off evil spirits. Experience luxury in Bali's airplane-themed villas, offering a unique and unforgettable stay for those seeking a touch of aviation charm. Feel the power of life in Bali, with over 40 mesmerizing waterfalls, each contributing to the island's vibrant and invigorating atmosphere. Join us in exploring the wonders of Bali on Traveler Guide.